In this video, we listed the 5 best circular saws on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. LYUWO Electric Circular Saw. The LYUWO Circular Saw LWDG50 is a powerful and versatile tool designed for commercial manufacturing purposes. With a brushless motor and a 20V battery, this circular saw offers efficient and reliable performance. The saw features a maximum cutting depth of 64 mm and a cutting width of 125 mm, making it suitable for various woodworking tasks. With a blade diameter of 125 mm and a no-load speed of 6,800 revolutions per minute, this saw delivers precise and smooth cuts. The saw is lightweight, weighing 3.45 kilograms, and is customizable to meet specific requirements. Certified with CE, this circular saw by LYUWO, originating from mainland China, is a dependable and high-quality tool for woodworking applications. Number 2. ALLSOME Electric Circular Saw. The ALLSOME Electric Circular Saw is a versatile tool suitable for cutting various materials such as solid wood, PVC, MDF, plywood, stone, wood, and ceramic tiles. It features an adjustable bevel cutting angle from 0 degrees to 45 degrees to accommodate multi-angle cutting needs. The saw is equipped with a solid metal guide plate to ensure consistent cutting depth along the workpiece surface. With a comfortable soft rubber handle for better control and reduced hand fatigue, this saw also includes a semicircular protective cover for dust and wood chip protection. The manual control switch and lock button ensure safe operation, while the lightweight design allows for one-handed operation, reducing fatigue. This brushless cutting machine is designed for efficiency and longevity, powered by a Makita 18V battery, not included. The package includes the electric circular saw, offering a cutting depth of 40 mm and a blade diameter of 125 mm. The ALLSOME circular saw, originating from mainland China, is ideal for home DIY projects and woodworking applications, providing a reliable and efficient cutting experience. Number 3. Hychika Cordless Circular Saw. The Hychika Cordless Circular Saw is a versatile tool designed for various cutting applications, offering a high speed of 3,500 revolutions per minute, powered by an 18V4 0Ah rechargeable battery. It comes with 3 different blades for wood, plastic, and tile cutting, providing flexibility for different materials. The saw features adjustable cutting angles from 0 to 45 degrees and a maximum cutting depth of 48 mm vertically and 32 mm at 45 degrees, catering to different cutting needs. Equipped with a laser guide and parallel guide, this circular saw ensures precise and straight cuts, enhancing accuracy and efficiency. Safety features such as a double protective switch and metal gear guards prevent accidents, while the ergonomic design with a soft rubber handle ensures comfortable use. The package includes the circular saw, battery, charger, blades, hex key, parallel guide, tool storage bag, laser guide cells, and user manual. The Hychika circular saw, originating from mainland China, is ideal for home DIY projects and offers the convenience of cordless operation for enhanced mobility and ease of use. Number 4. Yofidra Circular Saw. The Yofidra 7-inch 180mm brushless electric circular saw is a powerful cordless cutting tool designed for efficient woodworking tasks, featuring a maximum speed of 1080 RPM and a brushless motor for enhanced durability. With cutting angles adjustable from 0 degrees to 45 degrees and cutting depths of 35.5 mm at 45 degrees and 45.5 mm at 90 degrees, this circular saw offers versatility for various cutting applications. It comes with 2 lithium battery options, the 388VF with a capacity of 1500 mAh and the 928VF with a capacity of 30,000 mAh, providing long-lasting battery life for extended use. The saw is suitable for cutting a wide range of materials such as solid wood, PVC, MDF, plywood, stone, wood, and ceramic tiles, making it a versatile tool for DIY projects. The ergonomic design includes features like a soft rubber handle for comfortable operation, a solid metal guide plate for consistent cutting depth, and a semicircular protective cover for safety. The package options include variations with or without batteries, catering to different user needs. Compatible with 18V Makita batteries, this circular saw offers flexibility and convenience for woodworking enthusiasts. Number 5. NEWONE Electric Circular Saw. The NEWONE Cordless Brushless Circular Saw is a versatile cutting tool designed for various applications, featuring a brushless motor and compatibility with Makita 18V batteries. With a saw blade diameter of 165 mm and a no-load speed of 3,800 R/min, this circular saw offers efficient cutting performance for solid wood, PVC, MDF, plywood, stone, ceramic tiles, and more. The cutting depth ranges from 39 mm to 59 mm, providing flexibility for different cutting tasks. The saw comes in a compact design with ergonomic features such as angle cutting double locking for stability, an ergonomic handle for reduced fatigue, and tilt cutting capability up to 50 degrees for precise angle adjustments. The brushless motor with an outer rotor enhances durability and reliability, making it suitable for high temperature and humid environments. The package options include kits with or without batteries, catering to different user needs. Overall, the NEWONE Circular Saw offers a powerful and convenient cutting solution for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike.